Operating Officer, Chennai Plastic Surgery, to kindly address the gathering.
Okay. A very good evening to all you beautiful ladies and handsome gentlemen. I'm sure all of you are already feeling beautiful. And just in case you're feeling any different, please free to take up an appointment with us. Okay. So as Dr. Karthik Ram chose me to address this gathering, I was a little surprised that he chose me over the rest of the staff because it's been only a year since I joined him. But then I realized that he played it really, really smart because for those who do not know of me, I'm a very happy client turned employee of Chennai Plastic Surgery. And there isn't anyone more appropriate to address this particular gathering. Breaking away from Apollo Group, Dr. Karthik Ram initiated the Chennai Plastic Surgery in 2012 as a one-man army. CPS has grown from strength to strength in leaps and bounds ever since. Well then, how different is CPS from the rest of the other centers? Well, every move at CPS revolves around just one thing: you, a beautiful you. The latest equipments and technology used are highly advanced, so ahead of time that the clients find it almost difficult to cope up with it. At CPS, we believe in under-promising and over-delivering. After all, nothing but the best will do for our precious clientele. Be assured of realistic outcomes. To speak of the team, empowerment has been the key. We never call ourselves a team, we prefer the term family. The entire CPS family, with meticulous execution of treatments and photographic documentations, etc., ensure that the clients leave the space with a broad smile. Thanks to the team, we have raving fans who just can't resist from coming back to us. Following this, with the surge in the number of clients coming back to us, the OMR Center evolved, aiming to serve IT professionals who find it difficult to travel to this end of the city due to the erratic work timings and horrendous traffic. A team of doctors have started consultations in Bangalore and Hyderabad as well. With an ever-increasing international clientele, we are always ready to cater to the needs for a holiday-like experience during their visits. Sea-facing rooms and an unparalleled ambience gives clients a pleasant and quicker recovery. Goodwill, technology, a team of experts, ambience, and cleanliness has ensured that the brand name has gained your trust and grown tremendously in just 2 years. Not stopping with just that, CPS initiated the Beauty Because public forum for open access to information pertaining to beauty treatments from all experts in the beauty industry. The Beauty Because Journal was launched as an extension of the BB Club to inform, educate, and spread awareness in a fun and engaging way. It was not easy sourcing meaningful content, gathering relevant shots, and then piecing it all together in a few pages. But the tremendous appreciation that the inaugural edition has garnered shows us that we are on the right track. We helped you look and feel beautiful, and you helped us grow. Now it's time to celebrate our awesome twosome. And it's our turn to honor those who made this growth possible. It's our celebration. Enjoy the evening, and thank you all once again for your gracious presence.
Thank you, Sunita, for that excellent introduction.
I thank Dr. Karthik for giving me this honor and to grace this occasion and say a few words. I'm a shoulder surgeon based in Bangalore and co-founded Nova Medical Centers, which started India's first short stay surgery centers. We have 11 centers in the last 5 years and have performed over 40,000 successful surgeries. This is not a new concept. This started in the late 70s in the US, and there are over 6,500 such centers. And I think our country will benefit because such centers cater to elective surgery, which do not need prolonged ICU care, cardiac, neurosurgery, polytrauma, organ transplants. All that should be done in tertiary care centers, whereas all the elective smaller surgeries, laparoscopy, arthroscopy, cosmetic surgery should all be done in centers such as ours, so that the rate of hospital, the percentage of hospital-acquired infection is lower. You're not mixed with deliveries and chronically ill patients, and also there is about 20 to 25% of cost saving. We then started a chain of IVF centers, and in the last couple of years have become the largest providers of infertility services in India, with about 10 centers. We've tied up with a group called EV based out of Spain, and for the surgical centers, we are in talks as I speak with a chain which owns over 170 centers in the US. So we want to bring their expertise down to benefit our citizens. I congratulate Dr. Karthik on the second anniversary, and I wish him all the very best. We are extremely proud that he is associated in 3 of our centers in Chennai, Bangalore and Hyderabad, and I'm sure as we grow, he will get to operate in all the other cities where we are present. I also congratulate the awardees who have helped make beautiful people and make this a more beautiful world to live in. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Mahesh. May I please invite on stage Dr. Shankar, plastic surgeon from UK, to kindly address the gathering.
Ladies and gentlemen, I wasn't expecting to give this talk, so I haven't got anything prepared. So I'm going to talk from my heart rather than from a piece of paper. I met Karthik a few years ago, one of the hospitals when I was visiting to Chennai. He spoke to me for 2 minutes. I thought, you know what? He's a true reflection of me. He's a man who's got the vision. The man has got the knowledge. The man has got the charm. I think that's the most important thing. In plastic surgery, we don't treat patients, we treat clients. Again, I met with him 3 days ago. We were in an aesthetic surgery workshop, first of its kind, which was held in Chennai 3 days ago. We were talking there, and he had a similar reflection like me. And he said, come along, sir. Can you come along? I'll take you to my center. I said, I'll come and go and have a look. I run 37 medical spas in UK. I'm a part of the corporate company. I'm a medical director for them. I walked in. I could see working in that clinic. That means the standard of that center is similar to what we see in London High Street, like Harley Street, other places. So that is what makes these centers successful. And I thought, he invited me, said, you must come for this event, Beauty Award. The last Beauty Award I was been into was English models or one of those awards in Leicester about 6 months ago. Leicester is predominantly Asian population. You see lots of Asian women. And as usual, Asian women are always beautiful, and here we are. And it's a market which the treatment which helps people to look after their health, skin health, outer beauty, therefore inner beauty. And the award which he's presenting is for Beauty Award. It complements that. I don't think anybody else thought about it. I have to congratulate Karthik on this one because I thought I haven't spoken to him about this, but I could incorporate myself with Karthik in certain projects to develop this further. And I wish him very successful career in his life. And one more thing we share in common, I realized that he was trained by Professor Venkateswamy, and my boss was Professor Venkateswamy because I was trained in Chennai many, many years ago. So I can see that I can work with him, and hopefully we should have more centers. Perhaps we can bring a Chennai Plastic Surgery Center to London as well. Congratulations, Karthik. Well done.
Room, please. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite on stage Mr. C.K. Kumaravel. I think he needs no introduction here. I invite him to kindly say a few words.
Oh, good evening, friends. Thanks, Dr. Karthik, for that 1 minute before notice. That's been tremendous. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. And Karthik is a beautiful dreamer. And I am in beauty business. both put together, I think is a twosome combination. As my previous speaker was talking about, I met Dr. Karthik a couple of years back. He came in and met me. He said he wanted to place some brochures in our pastry salon. And I said, yeah, that's okay, but how do you think that my customer is going to benefit from what he is doing? But he was very, what I liked in him, he was very genuine and he was very persistent. And most importantly, most of the doctors do a very good job, but they seldom know how to project themselves. I think what is need of the hour, the industry has changed, the customer has changed, the doctors have not changed. Unless the doctor change and adopt to the new requirements, they are going to be in the oblivion. The doctors and the architects and the lawyers and the auditors, all these called the so-called self-employed people, are all thinking that the world is not changing, the customer has changed. The customer is changing daily. Stephen Covey puts it so nicely, 50% of your current knowledge is obsolete every 2 years. 50% of your current knowledge is obsolete every 2 years. That means if you are not learning for 4 years, you are ground zero. With Google coming into the picture, the patients are becoming more knowledgeable and they are questioning doctors in a ridiculous extent sometimes, and quite a few times in a reasonable extent. The trick of the trade is to identify what is ridiculous and what is reasonable. Are we ready to look at that change? Are we ready to look at that opportunity? Are we ready to take advantage? Success is like knowing the combination to your number lock. If you put the number right, the lock will open. The lock won't mind whether you are a male or a female, whether you are a black or a white, or whether you are rich or a poor, or whether you are educated or uneducated. As long as you are able to put the number in sequence, the lock will open. The number for the cosmetic industry and the, the plastic surgery industry, and Karthik knows it brilliantly, whether it is the selection of the location to how to get the equipments in and how to get the latest trends, how to get the latest products, how to project to the customers and how to get the attention and how to make the customer happy and how to follow up with the customers. And I met a friend of mine called Satish Vyas, who is from US, a fantastic guy. I think he's around 70, 80-year-old guy. I have never come across such a very nice, wonderful doctor and a human being. And he spoke to us for 3 to 4 hours, and I've been only listening to him and listening to him and listening to him. Like that, through Karthik, I have met such wonderful friends. Thank you so much for one more opportunity. Coming together is a beginning. Growing together is progress. Winning together is success. Together, let us make a beautiful India. Be rich, be happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir. Well, ladies and gentlemen, as we celebrate beauty today, I would like to invite on stage a symbol of beauty herself, the actress Pooja, to kindly address the crowd. Oh, come on, guys. You can give her a louder applause than that.
Oh, hi. I see a lot of very beautiful faces, known faces. I wish that I could speak as well as all the three. I remember Dr. Shankar's name because that's my surname, Uma Shankar. So then I remember your name really well. But I wish I could speak like all of you because you seem to know Dr. Karthik Ram so well. I have just met him 2 minutes ago. So I just met him 2 minutes, and you got a beautiful smile, I must say that. I'll give you that, right? And I'm sure that's not cosmetic, it comes from the heart, right? Yeah, I'm, as usual, it's the same story. Romba busy irundhen. I'm shooting these days, shooting till 3 in the morning, that's why my eyes are red. And he calls me, and then he drops the magic word, I'm Raj's friend. And I'm like, okay, because I know only one Raj. I've known him from, like, I came for his audio launch a couple of weeks ago, and then I've told everybody our little 16-year-old story, and then now in Sri Lanka, I'm already married to him, and I have 2 kids apparently. So anyway, that apart, because you mentioned his name, and he happens to be one of my best friends from college days, I decided, okay, I love him very much, and I love this industry very much. I must be a part of it. Karke. Sorry, I'm talking in all different languages. I just spoke in another language altogether. Pardon me. Okay. Two things that I really liked about what you had to say, Karthik, Dr. Karthik, was the fact that this is for the fashion industry. Am I right? And I asked you, I said, pardon me, because I thought I didn't hear it right, because I've never heard of an award or a little event for the fashion industry. And I have so many friends, all my friends growing up were all models, boys and girls. I've been around choreographers, I've been around, you know, people who design costumes, people who are, you know, makeup artists and hairdressers, and I've never heard of an award event for them. And I thought that was fabulous. I loved it. I loved the theme. And to think that this is your second year, I thought I had to be part of it. Just to say that we all, because right from, just because I'm part of the film industry doesn't mean that, you know, you ignore the music or the dance industry, or you ignore the fashion industry. So the fact that we all come together and we're all one unit, tight-knit unit, and we are all entertainers, including our models, because they look so good on the ramp, they show off the clothes beautifully well, and then you see a girl wearing that dress, and like, oh, it looks good on her, maybe it looks good on me. And to think that you guys are actually felicitating them today, I'm just really proud of the fact that you've done it. So thank you for calling me, thank you for inviting me, and I can see all the models here. And also, I don't know, oh, hi, you're also here. All good friends, family. And beautiful, like Doctor said, a lot of beautiful faces, a lot of smiling faces. So yes, I'm happy. I'm looking forward to this. And Doctor, do you have an award? I was just, you know, for the television interview. Do you have an award for gym instructors too? You should. You have an award? Ah, fabulous! Because I know how much they actually train our boys and girls, and then they go just so unnoticed. And the fact that you're actually having all of this, I'm really happy and glad that you called me. So thank you so much. And don't forget to call me next year, okay? Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you very much, Pooja. And now I think since you've thrown the light on everyone here, I must say, yes, everybody here are really beautiful. And I feel really bad that we've already selected our winners, because if we had to pick winners from right here today, that would be a task. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Moving on, as we grow and achieve new heights, it is important to recognize those who have played a significant role in supporting us and helping us get there. We would like to felicitate those employees who have superseded expectations. And to do the honors, may I please invite on stage Dr. Karthik. Our first award is the Employee Contribution Award, which goes to Rajeshri Stalin. Thank you, Rajeshri. The next award, okay, I think we'll have Dr. Karthik tell us a little about Rajeshri's contribution to Chennai Plastic Surgery.
Actually, our center started with two-man army, one me and Rajeshri. We both moved from Apollo Cosmetic Center and we started the center. You don't believe, a lot of international clients come and say yes, only because of Rajeshri we came here. She communicated with us so properly, so like she cleared all our queries, the mails, and whatever time we call us, WhatsApp us, Facebook, anything we are reachable, and we are only because of her we came here. And she made my lot of work very easier, and she brought a lot of clients to me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Karthik. The next award is the Employee Loyalty Award. And this award goes to Miss Maragadam.